Oh, me and Ashay. I'm really disappointed at that guy. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Like, I thought we understood each other, but it doesn't seem like it. But it doesn't seem like it. So you're very, very disappointed. That's what I can say about that. Yeah, no. Like, ish.